Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make granny square with star in the center like this. In this video, I will show you the first thing how to make a star, and the part 2 I will show you how to make the granny square. And if you found this my video is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment in below. I use a hook with 6 sides like this. Maybe it is 3.5 mm. First of all, you need to make magic ring, and then make make three chain like this. The first three chains we count as first double crochet, and then make 14 double crochet like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue it until you reach 14 double crochet. The last one double crochet here, and total of the double crochet I make it now is for 15. So pull up the yarn. Oops, sorry. Pull up the yarn, and you need to make a slip stitch here for the first double crochet. Look at this. You need to come from this one, 1, 2, 3. So from this one, I make slip stitch like this. So you will form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you need to make or quit 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first chain. So skip this one. We need to make single crochet for the first stitch, and then here the next one we need to make double crochet, and next one we need to create double crochet here, and the last one we need to make triangle crochet, or usually said as treble crochet. Look at this one. You need to skip 1, 2, and then working in the third stitch. Make slip stitch like this, and then repeat again. Make 5 chain, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now skip the first one and we work for the second stitch. Single crochet, half double crochet, and then double crochet, The next one, we make treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. From this one, we skip 2 stitch. 1, 2, and then here, we walking away, here, split stitch. Now make again 5 chain. Skip the first chain, make single crochet, then the next make half double crochet, and the next one make double crochet, and the last one make treble crochet. One, repeat again, skip 2 stitch, 1, 2. We working in the third one, make a slip stitch. Now we have already 3 form like this. Continue to the remain stitch here. This is my last form, and you can see there is, you need to skip to stitch here, 1, 2, 3, and we back slip stitch in the last one. This, and now as you see here, there is another color, bright yellow. So we need to join this one and or change color. So to make it best, I try to you need to make here adding 1 slip stitch and then cut remain yarn here. This is my saw without another one. You need to hide this yarn. Okay, bring the remain yarn to the back like this. So we hide it in this back side. Like this one. So let's see. For this one, I will make 1 chain. So we will working with for all this one, this stitch, all this stitch in here. So here, look at this one. You need to make single crochet for each stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another side like this. This one you need to bring from here. Maybe 5. So be careful. Sometimes if you take wrong, make a wrong the single crochet, and you pull yarn from the wrong stitch like this, you may be confused and make it become increasing. So place your hand here so you know that this is already we already making the single crochet here, and then now make it single crochet again. Use this one, and this one too, and Look at this. Because we already making slip stitch here, so sometimes it will be look like a single crochet. So you need to make a single crochet to here. Don't forget about that, and make single crochet for around stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. This, and then make again in another side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this one, and adding again one here. 1, 5. So we have 5, and then check again here. In each side it should be 4. So be careful to make it, and you need to count the size of stitch here. Let's see, 3, 4. So there is 4, right? 1, 2, 3. So we take from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here to it should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. And here too, you're adding 1 in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat again from here. Two, repeat until you reach here. Okay, in the last stitch, as you saw, we make a chain here, right? So you need to make one single crochet, and then we make a slip stitch to the first single crochet like this. Now you cut the remaining yarn and hide it to the back side like below. Here I show you again how to hide the remain yarn. Okay, and hide it to the another end. So your star become more stunning and look nice after you hide it. And now we need to cut all of this. I cut this one too, and this one, and this one. Okay, my star look like this. So if you see this, it's like this one. So I have 5 like this, and the next part I will show you how to add in this one. So it is going to look like granny square. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and share and comment in below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.